Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can manage text messages on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your messages application on your Android phone. And if you want to manage your text messages on your Android, to make it more organized, you can add category to your messages, so you can separate your messages based on its category. So just tap on add category right here, and for example, I'm going to add archive category like this and click on done. Alright, and after that you can add conversation or text messages to the category. So you just need to tap and hold on the text messages like this, and after that you can click on done right here. Alright, and if you want to edit the category, you just need to tap on this button, this three dots button, then click on edit categories, and you can add new category or you can edit the category that you have created. For example, I'm going to edit this category, and we can remove the conversation from this category. We just need to tap on this button, and if you want to add conversation, we just need to click on this plus button. And you can also rename the category that you have made. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage our text messages on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.